So welcome back to Zygisk YouTube channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to pass play integrity in any Android device up to Android 17. So let me show you. I'm not currently passing Android play integrity and none of my banking apps are working, as well as the WhatsApp app. To pass play integrity you need root using Magisk, KSU or KSU Next. You need some modules, for example PIF, fork, TrickyStore and TrickyStore Addon. And for Zygisk you can use ReZygisk or Zygisk Next. For KSU Next, I will provide a link in the description for all the modules. You just need to install it in Magisk Manager and then you can reboot your device, and then I will show you the further process. After installing all the modules and enabling Zygisk, you need to go to the module section of Magisk and click on action button of the play integrity fork. And after that, you can close the window and click on action button of TrickyStore. It will download an app named KSU Manager. Give it root permission. And now you have to select Google Services Framework and save it. You can select banking apps and WhatsApp as well. And then you have to set the security badge. You can get auto and then save. And then you need a Keybox. I will give you a link in the description for Keybox Channel. You can download the Keybox from there, and you need to import that Keybox in KSU Web. And then after saving, you can go to Play Store and check the play integrity. Let me show you that now I'm passing device integrity. You can also pass strong integrity by using a good Keybox or valid Keybox basically. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.